Did you hear a clatter on your roof?
Yes, I thought it might be
Come here.
Santa, so I'm running back and forth chewing my toy.
Did you hear him?
I heard a clatter light went like...
What was it?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't see on my roof.
Well, what's up there, do you think?
I don't know. I'm just about to go outside and see.
You think anybody's on your roof?
I don't know. That's what I'm just about to do.
Well, yeah. Well, who could be up there?
I don't know. It might be a giant hawk.
Might be
I
here?
know it's not a hawk because we don't have any hawks in Florida, do we, Dad?
No hawk? Well, there's some hawks in Florida. But what do you think it might be tonight?
Santa.
Santa?
Yes, because I know tonight's Christmas Eve. It